back at it again. This client came in and requested something that I don't have on my website, so I will be adding this to my website after I am done taking photos of this hairstyle. When I say this hairstyle came out so freaking cute, it came out so freaking cute, okay? I love the fact that her hair blended very well with the color bundles she brought in today. I don't know exactly where she got the bundles from, so please don't ask me because I really can't help you with that. But what I will say is that this hairstyle came out very, very cute, and my client looked really cute with this hairstyle. I believe my client brought me 4 bundles, but I really only used 2.5. Requested 2 braids in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to use my favorite Beauty or Royalty wax stick. This wax stick does wonders. If you guys are looking for a good wax sticks, please head over to my website and make your purchase today. Please stay tuned until the very much end so you can see the whole outcome because this hairstyle came out so cute. Now, what I would like to talk about today is how nosy my clients are. Like, my clients be so nosy. They be trying to be all up in my business. And I'm like, girl, you are here to get your hair done. You are here to tell me your business, okay? I'm not here to tell you my business, okay? I'm just the hairstylist. I'm just doing my job, which is to do your hair. And listen, I am your therapist. You're not my therapist. But sometimes I feel like my clients be digging deep and they be trying to get to know like what I got going on, my personal lifestyle and everything. But baby, I'm not here to tell you all of that. Now, if you want to be my best friend and be nosy, then say that. Don't be trying to book a hair appointment just to be nosy and be all up in my beeswax. But I tell all my clients pretty much the same thing. I just keep it basic. I tell them a little hit about me, but I don't tell them the whole life story about me. Because I be feeling like y'all really don't want to know, okay? But the other day, I did have this client come in, and he was there, and I was going through something in the moment. So I was expressing myself to him, and I know he was tired of hearing me talk. But I'm like, look, I be listening to clients all goddamn day about their lifestyle, their boyfriend, their girlfriend, their baby daddy, how they did this, how they did that, what they did last night, what they ate yesterday, what trips they went on. Hell, I be tired of listening to y'all too. So y'all gonna get tired of me too. You gonna talk, I'm gonna talk too. You be quiet, I'm gonna be quiet. Half of the time, my clients be so comfortable, they love telling me about their whole personal life. Sometimes I be like, oh, y'all telling me a little bit too much. But I get the information, and I put the information in this memory-saving thing that I have in my brain. And I be trying to remember everything you done told me in every detail. But half of the time, when my clients be telling me stuff, I don't remember nothing y'all telling me. Like, I be listening in the moment, but as soon as y'all walk out that door, I don't know what the hell you just told me. I be trying to remember because half of y'all be like, remember I told you last time? Remember I told you last? Do you not know how many clients I done did since the last time I did your hair? Please don't expect me to remember your whole life. Girl, I got a life to remember too. And 3 kids' lives to remember. So hell if I remember half of the stuff you tell me. But when you telling me, I do be trying to remember stuff. I'm not going to even lie to you. I be trying to be a good stylist. And I be trying to remember your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your sister, your auntie. What trips you just came back from. What type of hair you got. All of this. It's just too much stuff to remember about a person. Like too much. So all I'm asking y'all to do is just bear with. This is the outcome of my client hair. It looks really, really good. My client was so excited. I know y'all probably can't tell from her face expression, but she really liked her hair. It came out really cute. And this was actually for the first day of school. So baby girl came with it. And yeah, if y'all want this hairstyle, I advise you guys to follow, like, and share. And book your appointment with me today, you boy and hoes. Period.